Hello everyone, welcome to Home Cooking with me Hema Subramanian. Finger millets, popularly known as ragi, is the most sought after cereals in recent times because of its extensive health benefits. I've made a few ragi recipes before. I'll give you a couple of links in the description. Do check them out. Today I'm going to make an interesting Kerala style sweet snack with it. It's called Ragi Ela or Ragi elayappam as known in Kerala. We are going to use all the nice and natural ingredients in this one. So let's get started and check out the recipe. We just need about 5 main ingredients that go into making this delicious and healthy snack. So to the bowl, add 1 cup of rice flour. Next, add 1/4 cup of ragi flour, that is the finger millet flour. This is available for you in the stores. Next, add a pinch of salt. Now I'm going to add 2 teaspoons of GINGELLY oil. Now you can use any regular oil that you use at home. So first I'm just mixing everything together. So next, just add a little hot water at a time to mix this flour together to make it a dough. So just make sure the water is at a rolling boil. You don't want the water to be at room temperature while mixing this particular dough. So I'm just going to do this very gradually. Don't add too much water at a time. So if you see, the flour instantly cooks while adding this hot boiling water. The water is so hot that I cannot use my hands to mix it. That's why I'm using a spatula. So just make sure that you do the same. So once the flour has come together into a nice dough consistency, just pour a little oil in your palms because it can get a little sticky, you can see. So the rice flour and the ragi flour has come together very nicely. It's cooked in the hot water. Just use 1 or 2 drops of oil when you need it, just while mixing the dough. Now you can see the dough is ready. Let this sit for about 10 minutes. Next, I'm going to make the filling. Take 1 bowl of freshly grated coconut. Next, add 1/4 cup of freshly grated jaggery. If you don't have jaggery, just use brown sugar. That's available for you, or you can also use regular white sugar. Next, add a teaspoon of cardamom powder. Just mix everything together. It's best to use your hands for this. Usually when we make the steamed dumplings, that is the elayappam or the korakate, we use a cooked filling. We cook the coconut and the jaggery together. But here I'm just using freshly grated coconut along with the jaggery, and the filling is just very simple to make. The fresh coconut gives a nice crunch when you bite into it. So now the filling is done. I'm going to steam the ragi elas in banana leaf. Now if you don't have these, don't worry about it. You can just steam it directly in an idli steamer. So I've just cut the leaf into small rectangles. Now take a little bit of the mixed dough, roll it into a ball. Take a little bit of the oil, rub it onto the banana leaf. Place the dough ball and gently press it down. Just flatten it. Place a teaspoon or 2 of the prepared coconut filling. Now gently close the leaf and seal the ade on all sides. So if you see, the ade is sealed beautifully on all sides. Prepare all the ragi edas in the same manner. Get the steamer ready. Once the steam starts coming, place the tray and steam this for about 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, you can see the Ragi Ela is cooked beautifully. It's a wonderful and healthy snack that you can easily make at home. This is a very nice way to incorporate ragi into your diet. You can easily enjoy about 2 or 3 at a time, and it's pretty filling as well. This is a wonderfully nutritious and healthy snack that you can give your loved ones. This delicious Ragi Ela is a wonderful replacement for all these commercial sweets and snacks. So you can enjoy this sweet snack at least once or twice a week for all those little sweet cravings that you might have. Do try the recipe, enjoy and share it with your family and friends. So for more exciting and wonderful recipes, subscribe to my YouTube channel and click on the bell icon to get your notifications. The second edition of our home cooking book is now available on our website 21frames.in. I'll give you the link in the description. You can go and check it out. The book is currently available only in India for now, so you can place your orders on 21frames.in.